Hello, what's up guys? I'm from Peso Smart Page here and welcome sa panibagong episode. Of course, shoutout din sa mga podcast listeners. So today, our topic is SPC Power Corporation. So, company and stock review to. For anything else, of course, let's start with market news and updates. So, there are two articles that I read earlier na i-share ko sa inyo. So, ito yung first one, well, hindi siya article, but the performance of the PSEi yesterday. So, it was up by 45.99 points or 0.82%. So, that was a good start for the week. Then, this article from BusinessWorld says that PSEi is seen to rise past 6,000 by the end of the year. So the Philippine Stock Exchange Index is projected to end the year above 6,000 level, down from earlier estimates of closing within 8,600 to 8,900 range as an effect of the coronavirus disease. It is pretty much common sense by now. A capital markets research for April 2020 prepared by First Metro Investment Corporation and the University of Asia and the Pacific said the recovery of the stock market is expected to begin by the second half of 2020. So equity investors may take time to get back into the market given the huge losses they have suffered and the need to prepare for a more secure future. We think, however, that the situation would start normalizing of sorts in second half of 2020, and we see PSEi ending the year above 6,000. It said. UANP senior economist Victor A. Abola, who was one of the authors of the research, said in a mobile message that the second half would have to signal resumption of businesses in several sectors. By H2, the economy would have gone into recovery mode, although not even 90%. He told BusinessWorld, a lot of the uncertainty that exists today, reopening of the entire country to full economic activity, health protocols, and investor sentiment in general should improve significantly from the lows and we have seen up to this point. Below 6,000 is an aberration for our stock market, Mr. Abola added. Well, we can't say for sure, but he's an expert in this regard, so I think he's kind of qualified to say these things. But even like Warren Buffett can tell kung saan papunta yung stock market. So if he's right, then that's good, but if he's wrong, that is like expected. So the PSEi has dropped to an 80-year low on March 19, falling 13.34% to 4623.42 when the COVID-19 crisis started, resulting in lockdown both locally and abroad. FMIC's research noted the main index suffered the region's biggest loss of 21.6% in March. Since then, the PSE has been trading within the 5,342 to 5,946 range in April and has sustained the 5,500 to 5,600 level in the first week of May. The main index closed at 5,621.94 on Friday, down 31.22 points or 0.55% from the previous session. However, FMIC's previous outlook for the PSEi to end 2020 within 8,600 to 8,900 would have to adjust as recovery may not be as fast as desired. So with millions of people left jobless and global supply chains in disarray, COVID-19's dreaded economic impact can only be negative and the future uncertain. The Philippines has implemented localized quarantines since the middle of March, covering initially the island of Luzon, which accounts for 70% of the country's gross domestic product. So easing the quarantine started on May 1, but Metro Manila and its nearby cities remain under quarantine until May 15. An announcement on the extension or lifting of the Metro Manila lockdown is expected early this week. And then the next article is still from BusinessWorld. So sabi dito, BusinessWorld Insights to focus on COVID-19 stock market. While the coronavirus disease continues to make a negative impact on the Philippine economy, it has also severely affected investor confidence and the stock market. Still, experts believe that there is a silver lining in this volatile situation. On May 13 at 11 a.m., BusinessWorld Insights, COVID-19 and the Philippine stock market, uncertainties and opportunities will help the audience understand better the current stock market situation that will guide them on their next investment journey. So this is the third and last leg of BusinessWorld Insights under the first phase of the online forum series, with the theme laying out the macro scenario for businesses amid COVID-19. So, 1 second, let me just adjust something. Damn it. Okay. So confirmed speakers are Ramon S. Monzon, Philippine Stock Exchange Incorporated President, and Chief Executive Officer April Lin Tan, Vice President and Head of Research, Call Financial, and Justino B. Kalaykay Jr., VP Head of Research and Traditional Sales, PhilStocks Financial Incorporated. Mga stockbrokers yon. The online forum series scheduled every Wednesday 11 a.m. will be shown live in BusinessWorld's Facebook page. So there's the link. I'm just gonna include that as well, the description, so that you can check them out, and the Philippine Stars Facebook page as well, and will be uploaded in BusinessWorld's website. BusinessWorld Insights, organized by Premier Business Daily BusinessWorld, seeks to give the Philippine business community a better outlook on the impact of COVID-19 and help the country prepare for post-pandemic recovery by bringing in high-caliber speakers and experts to hold an intelligent online discussion moderated by BusinessWorld editors. So the phase 2 of BusinessWorld Insights will discuss the aftermath, lessons from the COVID-19 pandemic, and will start on May 27. So the forum is made possible by sponsors SM, Megaworld Corp, Globe Telecom, PayMaya, and National Home Mortgage and Finance Corporation. E-learning platform partner Alllearn, partner organizations Management Association of the Philippines, Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Philippine Association of National Advertisers, and Bank Marketing Association of the Philippines, and media partner the Philippine Star. So for more info, email Shai Cordero at this email address. I'm just going to include that as well, sa description, for easy access. So I think that's going to be the end for updates. So we're going to start with the company profile of SPC. So it was incorporated back in March 11, 1994. So that was 26 years ago. So SPC Power was organized in 1994 under the name Salcon Power Corporation after a consortium formed and led by Salcon Philippines Incorporated, who was awarded the contract for the rehabilitation, operation, maintenance, and management of the 23.8 I'm not sure about MW, I think megawatt Naga power plant in Cebu. The company listed its shares in the PSEi in 2002, and in 2007 the company was renamed to its present form due to the entry of a new group of foreign and local investors. The company's articles of incorporation were further amended in 2016 in order to engage in the business of selling, brokering, marketing, or aggregating electricity to end users. So key people nila are Dennis T. Villarreal, that's the CEO, and then Alberto P. Phoenix Jr. And then, marami silang subsidiaries. So, here are some of them. SPC Island Power Corporation, Cebu Naga Power Corporation, SPC Malaya Power Corporation, Bohol Light Company Incorporated, SPC Light Company, and SPC Electric Company Incorporated, Kepco SPC Power Corporation, Mactan Electricity Company Incorporated, and yeah, those are the subsidiaries. So yeah, marami siyang hinahawakan na businesses. And then, pakita ko lang sa inyo, so ito sa reason kung bakit feature ko siya on this episode. So far, I think I own this stock na for quite a while. I think almost a year. And then, nakuha ko siya previously at like 6.6 pesos per share. I have 1,200 shares na. So, in total cost was 7.9k. Ngayon nasa 9.9k na siya. So, that is a profit of 2,000 pesos unrealized. So, that's a 25% gain. So, that's really big. Diba? It's 25%. And the good thing is they regularly give out dividends to their shareholders. So that is a really good bonus. Then current market price, green siya. So 2.2% yung gain niya yesterday. So sumabay siya dun sa pagtaas ng prices ng ibang stocks and ng PSEi. So 8.38 pesos yung last traded price. Yung open niya yesterday is 8.25. It went as high as 8.5. Lowest was 8.24. And then yeah, yung volume is 480k. Value was at 4 million pesos. Tapos yung 52-week high niya is nasa 6.25. So kahit na matal ko na siya nabili, hindi naman siya sobrang bumabal nung March, I think. Pero yeah, 2019 ko pa kasi ito binili. So definitely hindi ako masyado bumili nung March. Since hindi pa rin sila nag-announce ng dividends at that time. Then 52-week high is at 9.63. Okay, I think we can move on from this. So ito yung valuation niya from 2014 to 2018. So pataas talaga yung trend niya. 4.5, bumaba ng konti. 4.18 na 2015. Tumaas ulit at 4.59. Then 2017, 5.4. Then na-sustain lang ng 2018. And then here's the graph of the prices since I think around 2012. So yun, sobrang nag-dip siya nun. Before 2030. Like nasa 3.5, 3.4-ish yung price. Then gradually tumataas na siya. Until na-reach niya yung 9 peso mark. Like last early 2020 actually. So ito yung dividend payments niya since 2004. Nag-skip lang ng 2005, then 2011 nag-skip, then 13 and 14, but after that consistent na naman. And lagi ayun, noong 2016 nagbibigay sila ng special. But not every time naman. Okay, so ano pa ba? So hold on. Ngayon 2020, so dapat before May 19, kung gusto niyo mabayaran ng dividends ng SPC, dapat nakabili na kayo before May 19. So, ilan days pa ba yan? May 12 pa lang yan. So, you have like a couple of days pa if you're interested. And last year, medyo malaking binigay nila kasi isang 40 and isang 70. And usually, December sila nagbibigay ng second dividend. So, I think I'm gonna be expecting another payment this December for this year. So, lalaki pa yung yield niya. But currently, it's at 4.77, 32%. So for example, nagbigay sila like ng 4 ulit this December ng 0.4 per share. So madodoble yun, like making 9-ish% na yung yield niya. And kung 0.70 ulit yung ibigay nila this December, which I doubt they will do kasi nga yun, medyo affected naman talaga yung lahat with the pandemic. But yeah, pagka optimistic tayo masyado, like yeah, I think above 10% pa yung maging yield ng company na to if you own stocks of this particular company. Okay, actually that's gonna be it. It's a bit short. Medyo nagpahaba lang is yung market news, but yeah, those are valuable resources and like info. So like ko siyang in-include sa start ng video. And syempre yung company review, I just wanted to make it brief and short. And yung sources natin for the articles earlier, yung link is gonna be found sa description sa baba. Then of course, we're gonna end the episode here. Don't forget to like and share if natripan niyo yung content ko. And yeah, para makatulong sa algorithm ng YouTube para mas marami pang makakita ng videos ko. Thank you. And every Tuesday tayo and Thursday nag-upload. So don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Before we end, here's a quote from Michael Jordan. Kasi kakapanood ko lang nung Last Dance and I believe you guys also are watching that documentary. And if you don't, then yeah, that's fine as well. So sabi niya lang dito, I've always believed that if you put in the work, the results will come. Yeah, hindi laging umasa lang sa, raw talent. Like, you have to hone your craft for you to be like the best in what you do. And yeah, a lot of successful people are saying this naman. Like, diba si Warren Buffett nga, like, he reads like, I don't know, like 6 to 8 hours or more a day. And yeah, that's what he do. He loves numbers and naintindihan niya talaga yung yung ins and outs ng businesses, and he invests in businesses na alam niyang kikita and may magandang future. And then yeah, si Gary V similar din. Sobrang like siya, proponent ng hard work. Like it trumps everything else. And yeah, same with Michael Jordan. Like he's like the GOAT of basketball. So there you have it. Alright guys, thanks again for watching and listening to the podcast. Listeners, stay safe. Malapit na ma-lift yung ECQ if ililift man nila. So abangan na lang natin. And I think yung market naman is maging steady lang until the end of the week. Like magkakaroon niya ng ups and downs. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Always remember, be Peso smart.